I love a good breakfast in the morning, but I don't want to miss out on any time of sleep. So that's why I make my breakfasts ahead. And all I have to do is reheat them really quickly to start my day off in a great way. So this time I'm going to show you how I make my extra nutritious oatmeal to start my days off. I put extra omega-3s and protein into my oatmeal by adding in some chia seeds and flax seeds in the cooking process. And I'll show you how easy it is to get extra protein, extra fiber, and omega-3s in your already oatmeal that's full of fiber and B vitamins. So don't worry, the week will not be boring with plain oatmeal. We're going to make some delicious topping like banana nut bread. We're going to do a peanut butter chocolate chip topping and a fruit compote that's so easy to make. You'll be making this compote for everything and putting it on there. So let me show you how it's done. I'm gonna add in 5 cups of milk. I'm using almond milk. And it's a lot of milk because we're making a lot of oatmeal. And now here comes the fun part. We're gonna add in some chia seeds. We're adding in some ground flaxseed, 1.5 tablespoons. And I'm gonna go ahead and give that a good stir. Lastly, I'm gonna add in some oats, old-fashioned oats. They only take 5 minutes to cook, so. Let that cook for 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and add in some brown sugar, just 1/4 cup, just to sweeten it a little bit. For some reason, a good oatmeal really gets me excited. I started doing a little oatmeal dance, you know, because the oatmeal's coming. It's gonna be delicious and nutritious and so filling when you get the good toppings. Hey, oatmeal, oatmeal, oatmeal is coming. All right, let's get started. Take 1 banana, cut it in half. Take 1/2. Make sure the banana is very ripe. Take 1/2. And mash it. The riper the banana, the sweeter it will be. And also the easier it'll be to mash. Add in a little bit of cinnamon. Half a dash of nutmeg. Add in my sliced bananas. Can't have banana nut bread without bananas. Some walnuts. Thank you very much. And finish it with just a little bit of maple syrup. And there you have it, banana nut bread oatmeal. Take a little peanut butter. And drizzle that on top of your oatmeal. I'm getting super hungry. The peanut butter wasn't enough. We're gonna add in some chocolate chips. And some pecans. Right there. To make the fruit compote, I'm gonna add in 1 cup of berries, frozen berries. Put that over medium heat. The juice of half a lemon. And about a teaspoon of brown sugar. That's it. We're gonna let it cook. Let it cook until it's all thick and juicy. It's thick. It's cool in the back of the spoon. You can turn off the heat. Now that you saw how easy that is, you have no excuse to have a delicious, nutritious breakfast to start your day. Start making these items earlier in the week. All you have to do is add a little bit more nut milk and pop your oatmeal in the microwave. While that's heating up, get your toppings together and boom, delicious breakfast to start your day. And you're starting it right. You're starting it with lots of fiber, with omega-3s, and with lots of protein. You know that you're gonna have a great day. Till next time.